Peel Island is one of many beautiful spots in the Moreton Bay area. While many people don't recognise its name, it has an interesting tale to tell. Until the late 1950s, the island was home to Queenslanders with leprosy, or Hansen's disease. Fear has led to many injustices throughout history. At the turn of the 20th century, it wasn't known how Hansen's disease was transmitted or how to treat it effectively. In Queensland, as in many other places, those with the disease were quickly separated from their families and society for fear of them infecting others. Peel Island, Queensland's first multiracial lazaret, was opened in 1907 and is now one of only a few left in the world. Its facilities included a surgery, recreation hall, laundry, post office, a store and staff quarters. Patients lived in simple huts in segregated compounds, ate in the dining hall and used communal bathhouses. For some, the journey to Peel Island was a life sentence. More than 180 patients died there. Family visits were minimal, and life on the island could be isolated and lonely. It is not surprising then that there were sometimes problems with alcohol. Things came to a head with the accidental death of a cook down at the Stone Jetty. Following this, Dr. Morgan Gabriel was appointed as medical superintendent and moved to the island with his young family in the early 1950s. One of his early tasks was to replace alcohol with meaningful activities to help patients pass the time. Those with boats could go fishing from the patients' jetty. Others had gardens, poultry or goats, or worked as labourers, carpenters and seamstresses. They also built a church, which features wood carvings by Indigenous patient Bob Peeler. Most of this footage was shot by Dr. Gabriel during his time on Peel Island and features his wife Doris and their two children, Ruth and Bill. Growing up at the Lazaret and on an island was an unusual experience. Life revolved around swimming trips to Horseshoe Bay, playing with Gympie, and waiting for supply boats to bring news and goods. The occasional concert party from the mainland was a highlight for the staff and for the patients. By the late 1950s, treatments had improved, patient numbers dwindled, and those remaining were transferred to the Princess Alexandria Hospital in Brisbane. More recent visitors to the island often find it to be a haunting mix of beauty and sadness. The restoration work carried out by the Environmental Protection Agency and the Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service have helped to preserve an important reminder of Queensland's history.